In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients in DocuSign after sending a document, an essential skill to streamline your digital workflow. Let's dive right in and make sure you can adjust your agreements efficiently. To start, you'll need to head over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, locate and click on Agreements. This section allows you to manage and view the documents you've sent for signatures. It's your control center for all your transactions. Now click on Start Now. This will open up options for creating or editing agreements, making it a versatile space to begin your modifications. Next, click on Upload. This step is crucial for selecting and preparing documents that you wish to update with additional recipients. If the document is stored locally on your computer, you'll want to click on Desktop to navigate to where it's saved. This directs you to your desktop or any specific location within your files where you might have stored the document in question. If you are the only one signing the document, which can be the case for final approvals before sending it out again, you will select I'm the only signer. This way, you ensure your document is fully prepared before reaching other recipients. Once that's set, click Sign to proceed to the next phase. After signing your document, navigate to your inbox. This is where you can keep track of all your sent documents and check if any need recipient updates. Within your inbox, you'll notice 3 dots next to your document. Click on these dots for more options. Here you'll find the correct option. Click on it. Once you've selected correct, you'll have the opportunity to update the recipient information. This process is straightforward. Click on Add Recipient. This function is paramount because it allows you to insert information for any new individuals who need to sign or acknowledge the document. When you add a recipient, you'll need to enter their name and email address. This ensures that the correct contacts receive your document for signing or viewing. Once these details are in place, click Next to confirm your updates. And that's it! You've now successfully added a recipient to a document already sent. This feature enhances your ability to manage your agreements efficiently, allowing for seamless adjustments. Remember, keeping a precise track of who needs to sign or review your documents is key to maintaining smooth business transactions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital document management with DocuSign.